Hi guys, this is Saloni and welcome back to our channel Codera. So guys, in the last video we talked about the different terminology of the database, and in today's video we will discuss what is SQL, what are the advantages of the SQL and some important notes. So first we will talk about what is SQL, and some people also pronounce it as SQL, and its full form is Structured Query Language. So as the name suggests, it is a language. And if I talk in general, then people use different languages like Hindi, English, Tamil, French and so on. And they use these languages as the medium of communication with the other person. So in the same way, if I have to communicate with the relational database, then I have to use SQL as the medium of communication. And in our previous video, I have already told you what are the relational database management systems. And if you want to know what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS, then you can check out this video and its link is in the description box. And unlike the other programming languages like Java, C, C++ or Python, SQL is made up of very few words, so it's very easy to learn. And with the help of SQL, we can efficiently read and write the data to the database. So with the help of SQL, we can create, read, update and delete relational database and the tables. And all the RDBMS like MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL and so on use SQL as their standard database language. That means if you know SQL, then you can learn any of this RDBMS very easily because SQL is the standard database language. And some DBMS have extended their support for SQL by adding some new statements to the language, like PLSQL used by Oracle. And the purpose of these extensions is to provide additional functionality to the language. Now let's see some advantages of the SQL. So the first advantage is SQL is not a language used by a specific database. Almost every major database management system supports SQL. So as we just discussed that SQL is a standard database language. So by learning this one language will enable you to interact with just about every database you will run into. So learning SQL will help you a lot with the other databases also. And obviously it is very easy to learn. Even you don't need any programming or coding skills. Like if you want to get or retrieve any data from the database, then you don't have to write large number of lines of code. All you need to use is a select statement. So it's very easy to learn. And also SQL is a portable language. That means we can use SQL in PCs, servers, laptops, independent of any platform, and it is a standardized language also. And with the help of SQL, we can perform very complex database operations. So all these are the major advantages of the SQL. And guys, there are some important notes that you should know about the SQL. So the first one is SQL is not case sensitive. But generally we use uppercase to write the SQL keywords. But if you will write the SQL keywords in lowercase or the camel case, then it won't give you any errors. So the second point is SQL statements are dependent on text lines. So we can use a single SQL statement on one or multiple text lines. And the last point is that SQL works on the concept of tuple relational calculus and relational algebra. So guys, that's all about SQL and its advantages, and in the next video we will discuss what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases. So till then, keep watching Codera and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.